Press Bros Books. One sec. Good morning from the Bell Tower Press Bros Books. We are at the Sexy Accident from Kansas City. We're going to play a number of wintry, dour songs for you, starting with a song from the point of view of a person who's struggling to adjust to changes. Here we go. It's called Shadow of Doubt. Very early for a gig. Good morning from Kansas City, Missouri. The Bell Tower Press Bros Books is the Sexy Accident. We're playing 4 wintry songs for you. This one's called Shadow of Doubt. I pull up at home autumn afternoon. A strange car in the drive. I'm early, dear.